Welcome to a captivating journey through history, as we delve into the life, beliefs, and legacy of a visionary trailblazer. From the heart of Jamaica to the vibrant streets of Harlem, discover the profound impact of Leonard Howell's revolutionary faith on culture, music, and unity. Leonard Howell, a name etched into the annals of history, stands as a beacon of spiritual awakening, social revolution, and cultural resurgence. Born on June 16, 1898, in Clarendon, Jamaica, Howell's life journey transcended the bounds of time and geography, leaving an indelible mark on the world. From his formative years amidst colonial oppression to his transformative encounters in Harlem's intellectual hub, Howell's quest for knowledge and truth ignited a fervent desire to reshape societal norms and champion the Rastafarian movement. A glimpse into the visionary's early years. The seeds of Howell's revolutionary faith were sown in his youth, as he navigated a world rife with colonial injustices and societal disparities. These early experiences cultivated a sense of curiosity, an inner quest that would define his trajectory. Harlem, a crucible of ideas and inspiration. Howell's pursuit of enlightenment led him to the vibrant heart of Harlem, New York, during the height of the Harlem Renaissance. Amidst a kaleidoscope of intellectual fervor and artistic expression, he encountered the teachings of Marcus Garvey, a charismatic advocate of the Back to Africa movement. Garvey's call for self-determination and African pride struck a chord within Howell, kindling the flames of a nascent revolutionary faith. The birth of Rastafarianism, Garveyism, and spiritual revelation. Howell's immersion in Garveyite principles intersected with his profound spiritual awakening. Drawing inspiration from the Bible and the coronation of Emperor Haile Selassie I of Ethiopia, Howell synthesized a unique vision that laid the cornerstone for Rastafarianism, a movement embodying African identity, social justice, and spiritual transformation. Cultivating change, Pinnacle and the first Rastafarian community. Returning to Jamaica in the 1930s, Howell transformed his beliefs into tangible action by establishing Pinnacle, a haven of hope nestled in St. Catherine's lush hills. Pinnacle provided fertile ground for Howell's revolutionary faith to flourish, even as it faced adversity and persecution from authorities threatened by its ideals. The echoes of Howell's ideals, a cultural resonance. Beyond Pinnacle's confines, Howell's visionary ideas resonated throughout Jamaican culture, infusing themselves into music, art, and literature. Reggae music, with its socially conscious lyrics and rhythms, became the vessel for Howell's revolutionary message, transcending borders and uniting people in a shared quest for justice and unity. Empowerment through identity, Howell's enduring legacy. At its core, Howell's philosophy championed the reclamation of African heritage, the rejection of societal labels, and the empowerment of marginalized communities. His teachings fostered a collective awakening that fueled the drive to challenge systemic injustices and envision a world marked by equity and harmony. Unveiling the visionary within insights into Leonard Howell. Through his writings, Howell's profound connection with nature and introspective musings offered glimpses into the mind of a visionary. His journey from a curious seeker to a torchbearer of spiritual and societal change serves as a testament to the transformative power of individual conviction. Conclusion: illuminating the path ahead. Leonard Howell's life journey stands as a testament to the potential of one person's beliefs to ignite far-reaching societal transformation. From the roots of his upbringing to the global resonance of Rastafarianism, Howell's legacy invites us to reflect on our capacity to nurture positive change and embrace the boundless potential within us. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Who is Leonard Howell, and why is he significant? Leonard Howell was a visionary Jamaican figure who founded the Rastafarian movement, advocating for social justice, African heritage, and spiritual awakening. What were the core tenets of the Rastafarian movement? The Rastafarian movement emphasized the divinity of Emperor Haile Selassie I, the rejection of societal labels, pride in African heritage, and the pursuit of equality. How did Leonard Howell's exposure to Marcus Garvey shape his beliefs? During his time in Harlem, Howell encountered Marcus Garvey's Back to Africa movement, which deeply influenced his evolving spiritual and cultural convictions. How did Leonard Howell's teachings impact Jamaican culture? Howell's teachings left an enduring imprint on Jamaican culture, particularly through the realm of reggae music and the celebration of African identity. What is Leonard Howell's legacy in contemporary times? Leonard Howell's legacy continues to inspire individuals globally, urging them to embrace their identity, challenge injustices, and contribute to a more equitable and interconnected world. In the tapestry of history, Leonard Howell emerges as a luminary whose revolutionary faith illuminated a path toward unity, justice, and empowerment. His legacy serves as a timeless reminder that the power to reshape the world lies within the unyielding conviction of the individual. As we conclude this chapter, remember that the power to inspire change lies within each of us, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.